Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can practically leverage on ChatGPT on AI to get football predictions on a daily basis. Okay, a lot of people that be using this method that I'm about to show you have been the feedback have been massive, right? It have been encouraging, okay, and it have also yielded out good result, positive result. Okay, I'm going to show you, and you're going to try it yourself and see how it goes. Okay, now if you want to get ChatGPT to get daily need to do, first of all you're going to come over to ChatGPT. Come over to ChatGPT. I've only have installed on my device. If you don't have it, you can go over to Play Store or App Store and download this download this particular app, ChatGPT. Okay, and then if you have ChatGPT on your device, all you want to do is to open it. And in case you don't even have the app, you can go over to chatgpt.com and use the site. It's going to give you the same result. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to you can start. Please pay close attention to what I'm about to show you now, right? Please, the first thing you want to do is to start a friendly conversation with ChatGPT, like what I'm doing now. Chat, hi Emmanuel, how are you doing? You see the reply, right? It's ChatGPT have replied. Now the next thing you want to do is to give ChatGPT this prompt. Okay, this prompt, don't worry, I'm going to provide this prompt on the video description. Under the video description, you just go under the description and copy this particular prompt. Okay, and give it to ChatGPT. You can make this a video anytime you want to make provision football prediction. Okay, now copy this prompt, go back to ChatGPT, and then give it this prompt. Paste it. I'm coming. Let me change some things. Now this is the prompt. You are professional, or let's say this is how to engineer ChatGPT to get what you want, right? um I want you to act as a professional sport bettor with over 40 years with over 40 years of experience. Let me remove this plus, right? Sorry, 40 years of experience. Today's date is November 2nd, 2025. Our best football match is scheduled for November 2025. 2nd November 2025. Only analyze the matches I give you. For each match, provide the following. Like, it's going to be using this template, right? Don't go if you don't worry, if you go under the video description, you're going to see the prompt there, right? So you're going to paste this to ChatGPT. Okay. By the way, if you are already finding value on this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and then subscribe if you are new to our channel, because in this channel we go, all I do is that I go out there and test new method, new strategies on bet predictions. Okay, and come here and make sure it works, and then come here and share it with you guys. Okay, so we can all make money together. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this strategy. If you have used this strategy before, what has been the result? Okay, what have been the outcome? Okay, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to go over to any bookmarker of your choice, right? Just be following me, right? In this case, I'm going to be using sport betting, sporty bet. Bookmaker means betting company, the platform where you place your bet. Okay, it can be sporty bet, it can be 1xbet, it can be any gambler should be familiar with what a bookmaker is, right? So I'm going to come over to and select any match of the day I want to make the prediction. Okay, let's say I want to make my predictions today. I'll come like today, for example, today being 2nd of November, I'm going to come to this match of today. Like we have Man City and Bournemouth. Well, let's just pick any match so that it won't be as if, let's go back, let's not be as if I already programmed this particular match for this thing. Even as the video is loading, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Okay, subscribe if you have not subscribed to our channel. Right, the network some kind of slow. All right, so it have happened. Let's say today be 2nd of November, this Barca match. I'm going to copy the details. I'm going to copy the match details. Then go back to ChatGPT. I'm going to go back to ChatGPT, right? Right, and paste the details of that match, adding this team, date, and time the match is going to be played, and ChatGPT is going to do the magic for me. Let's see. Now you see what ChatGPT has given us. Okay, match Barcelona vs actually FC. Now picks ChatGPT is predicting that Barcelona is going to win the match, and confidence. Okay, there's 90% possibility that um um there's 90% possibility that Barcelona is going to win this match. Okay, and in terms of Coresco, ChatGPT is predicting that um the match is going to end on 3-0. Okay, now let me less emphasis on this Coresco. Okay, in most cases, since it's a feature match, nobody know what is going to happen. This is based on statistics and data, right? So sometimes ChatGPT can be correct with this Coresco. Sometimes it can only come close. Okay, so but the whole idea now, this Coresco, why we request for this Coresco is that we're going to have an idea how many goals we should be expecting on the match, right? So in this case, we're already seeing that at least in worst scenario, we're going to have at least 2 goals in this match, this whole match. Okay, and then not more than 3 goals. Okay, so if you're even betting on over or under market, you should know where you should put your X, right? You should know where exactly what to expect. Okay, um let me just do one more example, and then I'm going to round up this video, right? I don't intend to make this video very long. So let's go back to our bookmarker, and then select another match. Let's say Man City and Bournemouth, for instance. Man City and Bournemouth, for instance. Let's copy the details of that match. Of the match, you can see how I'm copying it. Just copy it. Now come over to ChatGPT and paste it. Make sure you don't make mistake. Paste it. Let's see what ChatGPT is going to give us. Respond. So now you can see, in case of Man City, you have seen ChatGPT is telling us that there's 95% chance that this match is going to end on home. Man City is going to win, and for correct score, ChatGPT is predicting that this match is going to be end on 4-1. At least we are expecting 2 or more goals, right, on this very match. So you can go ahead and stack more matches as you want. You can go ahead and even as far as 10 matches, okay, to guide you and also give you. You can just go on and pick this home win, direct win, or if you want to go on under or over goals, you should know how to position or what to expect. Since you already know what to expect, you will know how to position your game, the goals. Okay, so we know go and put where you're supposed to put two goals, no go and start putting five goals over 4.5 over 7.5 over 1.5, all those things. You know what to expect, right? So one cool thing about this strategy is that it have helped a lot of people, right? If you do it the exact way, like just what I'm showing you here now, right, you gonna benefit a lot from this with this strategy. I personally have used it, and a lot of my students on my platform are also using it, and the results have been very amazing, right? So but one thing I will advise you, that's why I always tell you guys, hey mother, yake. You see, that's why I always encourage you to watch my videos to the end. Okay, so one thing with this strategy is that you don't want to go and start stacking a load of matches. Please, I always advise people, if you mean business in gambling, if you're a serious gambler, you have to start treating gambling like a business. Okay, at least if you have 3 to 5 odd, it's okay. Don't go and start looking for 200 odd, 1000 odd. You are not God. Okay, look at this analysis, for instance, or these predictions, for instance. By the time you combine 4 matches to 5 goals to 5 matches, okay, you are good to go for the day. 3 odd, 5 odd, you are good. Okay, so let me know what you think about this strategy in the comment section. Have you tried it before? Has, what has been the outcome? Okay, and I have another video that will teach you how I make football predictions, the strategies that got make me my first 1 million this season. Okay, I made over 2.4 million using that exact strategy. It's an over 1.5 strategy. I'm going to add a link on this video. Okay, the video is going to show up somewhere up here. Just go ahead and watch that video and see how you can start make money for yourself again, right? So wish you good luck and see you in my next video. Thank you.